In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a follow line indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this indicator set up so it's ready to use on your charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Look towards the top of your charting screen for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it's where you access all built-in and community-made tools. Go ahead and click on that. Once the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Instead of scrolling through a long list, using this search bar is the fastest way to find what you need. Click directly on the search field so it's active and ready for typing. Now, type Follow Line Indicator into the search bar. Take a moment to make sure you've spelled it correctly, because even small typos can cause nothing to show up. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators. When you see Follow Line Indicator appear in the list of results, select it. The indicator should automatically be added to your chart right away. At this point, you'll see the Follow Line Indicator displayed on your chart, but we're not done yet. To get the most out of it, you'll want to adjust the settings to match your trading style. Look for the small settings icon next to the indicator's name, usually along the top of your chart or in the indicator panel. It often looks like a gear. Click on that to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can tweak things like colors, line styles, and any specific parameters the indicator uses. Take a moment to explore these options and customize them so they're clear and easy for you to read. For example, you might choose a brighter color, so the follow line stands out against your background, or adjust thickness so it's more visible during fast market moves. Once you're happy with the changes, click OK or apply to save them. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to unlock the full charting experience, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be able to use indicators like this smoothly without limitations. And that's it. You've successfully added the follow line indicator in TradingView Pro and customized it for your own charts.